Hello and welcome back to Retro Bunker channel. Today we're gonna look at the HyperX mouse and see how it is enabled to take out the left or the right mouse button. I got some questions from members, so let's open it up and look at it and talk about it so I can help someone. Yes. Yes, I have already removed the gliding pads, and I will remove the screws. This video is one of my first videos, and I got some questions about how to repair the mouse button. I don't have any mouse button to take out, but we can open it up like this. I will zoom in and we will look at it. We'll take out the cables so we can remove all the glory like that. Now it's parting off. And here's the main board. Here is the cable we repaired last time. We will remove all these screws. There are, I think it's 4 screws. It's almost like the first video we made. And here it's see on the back side. This is the mouse button. So you can click on this one and see it works. On the back side it's the one we're gonna loosen up. I will show you. First thing you will take is a multimeter, put it on diode mode, and take the leads from the first 2 ones and hold them together and press the button. And this one is clearly working. This is not a broken mouse anymore, but I will show you how to take this away and put it back on so you can know how to repair it and see if you can get a better view. There is the number, you see China. It's 1860C41, and I can see if I can find it on eBay or other places, and you can buy another one. To repair. But first we desolder this one. Like I do in every other video, I will take the iron. I hope you can see. And I put some lead on it. This is only to remove the connector easier. It's kind of fiddly. So you put some new leaded solder on it. we take this. My people doesn't have this can use solder wick to wick it away, but I got this. I call it the moo gun because it sounds like a cow. You push it. Now you see the connector is coming loose. It's some bit left there. Like that, and you take it out. Now this is the button. It goes on the main board here, and if you see, it's a blue little button. This is clearly working, but then you order a new one of these and you take it, you put it inside, make sure the blue button is in the front of the main board. You put it inside. Make sure if you buy a new one that it's the right dimensions, the height and the legs are correct inside here. And now you take some new solder and just solder it back. Like that. And then you put back the board. Sorry, put back the board here. You inspect so it looks good. Take all the small screws back into the board. It's a very simple job. Can do by anyone, and it's 4 small screws. I will be back when it's all put together. If you want to see how it puts back, you can look at my other video, HyperX mouse repair, and you can see that, how you put back the little cables in the slots. Make sure this cable doesn't take in the wheel, so it stops it, so you must try to work it away from the wheel. So here we got the mouse. We will plug it in and it finds it and it lights up, and now we have repaired the mouse with a new button. Double click, see, the window opens and the left mouse button opens. So this mouse is now fixed again. Temporary fixed. I got not put the part, so I just wanted to show you how to repair it, and then you can order a new part. It will be a short video about this mouse again, only to show you it can be repaired, the buttons too. I should have shown you that in the first video, but this is how life is. So nothing more. So have a nice day. Bye.